Hello guys, welcome to Missbundleofjoy. I'm Geetha Venugopal. Today I'm going to show you all how to make a tasty Ambur chicken biryani. Ingredients required to make Ambur biryani are: I've taken 3/4 kilo of jeeraga samba rice, soaked it for half an hour and washed it. 3/4 kilo of chicken cut into big pieces. 3 big onions roughly chopped, 4 tomatoes roughly chopped, a 1/4 cup of curd, 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, chili paste. I've soaked about 10 to 12 Kashmiri chili in water and then ground it into a paste. You all can adjust the spice level according to your need. Handful of coriander leaves chopped, handful of pudina leaves, lemon juice extracted from half a lemon, 2 bay leaves, 3 sticks of cinnamon, 4 to 5 cardamom, 5 cloves, 4 tablespoons of refined oil mixed with 2 tablespoons of ghee, and salt to taste. Let's cook the rice for the biryani. I've taken water in a vessel and I will be adding the rice when it starts boiling. Then cook the rice till it is 3/4 done. The water has started boiling. Now add the required amount of salt for the rice and add the rice and allow it to cook. It's 3/4 done. Now I'm going to off the flame and drain out the water. To a thick bottom vessel, add in oil and ghee. When it heats up, add in the bay leaf and the whole spices. Now add in the chopped onions and saute till it turns light brown. Now add the ginger garlic paste and saute till the raw smell goes. Now add the ground chili paste. Try to add Kashmiri chili itself because that will give a good color for the biryani. If you don't have Kashmiri chili, add a Kashmiri chili powder mixed with little water, make it into a paste and then add it. It's done. Now add in the chopped tomatoes and saute till it turns mushy. It's turned mushy. Now add in the curd followed by lime juice and mix well. Add in the chicken pieces and allow it to cook until it is 3/4 done, along with half of the mint leaves and coriander leaves. No need to add water, just cover and cook it in low flame. The chicken has cooked. Now check for salt. At least half a cup of water is needed for keeping dum. If there is no sufficient water, you will add water. I have not added water. The chicken itself has emitted the water. Now let's add the rice. Mix well. Kindly garnish it with coriander leaves and pudina and keep it for dum for 10 to 12 minutes. Since I'm using a heavy bottom vessel, I'm just closing it with a lid and keeping it in low flame for dum. If you all want, you all can keep a tawa under the biryani pot and heavy weight on top and keep it for dum. If you want, you all can add ghee, that is optional, but in Ambur biryani there won't be much ghee. It's done. It's done. Tasty Ambur biryani is ready. It's an authentic recipe. It tastes yum. Do try this and give your feedback. If you like this recipe, like, share and subscribe to Miss Bundle of Joy. Meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye.